Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. Okay, messages, energy check-ins, prediction, gabay, kung ano man ang ating makita. Yun ang ating babasahin. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, yes, don't forget to follow our second YouTube channel, Love Letter. Okay, nasa description box below. Yung ating link. And kung may tanong pagdating po sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating po dito sa ating mga items. Okay, so protection from evil eye, love bracelet. So ito yung love bracelet natin, singles and may mga issues with their partners, yan, pwede yan sa'yo. And yung ating cord cut. And syempre si grantor. Okay, si grantor is made to order. Okay, so kung may tanong, message na lang po, no? Sa aking FB page. So this is a new deck. So shuffle ko na kanina. Okay, shuffle ko ulit. Hindi pa ako ganun ka-familiar sa mga images dito. So okay, let's start. Air signs: Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. What's for you? Devil in reversed. Okay, some of you may mga malilesen na mga addiction. Okay, pwedeng may mga sabihin nating malilimitahan na. Kung di man addiction, sabihin nating mga bisyo. In general, may mga matatanggal na hindi kaaya-aya. Okay, may mga matatanggal ng hindi kaaya-ayang energy sa inyo. Okay, what's with this devil in reversed? The Nine of Wands. Something na pwedeng nagbibigay ng, sabihin nating, stress. Okay? Ito yung mga sitwasyon na parang humahadlang. Okay? May mga humahadlang. Ang nakuha ko dito, medyo magiging light na. Okay? Kung ano man yung mga issue, conflicts, kung ano man na parang hindi okay sa ngayon, gagaan na. Okay? Kahit sabihin natin medyo kaunti, gagaan. At least, no? Gagaan. Okay? May mga mababawasan. Na nagbibigay stress sa'yo. Yes. Okay. What else? Temperance in reversed. And the sun in unexpected. Parang merong something na parang may mapapa-aga na ibibigay. Could be parang surprise. Unexpected visitor. Okay? Sabihin natin in general, meron dito unexpected na something. Okay? Let's see. Somebody is upset. Ten of Swords. Merong I'm hearing arguments. Or may mag-express ng sama ng loob. May mga ganong bagay, ng galit. Okay? Some of you, I'm seeing you healing. Could be, sabihin nating, yung pamamaraan na pwedeng ibigay sa'yo or ipakita sa'yo or as a sign is like, sabihin natin may kasamang pain. Could be a closure message, could be blockings, So, I think, parang yun yung way para gawin mong closure, if ever, or endings. Ayaw mo yun. Okay? Pero, yun yung parang sagot. Some of you. Okay? Some of you avoid arguments kung ayaw nyo ng separation or endings. Some of you, meron ditong arguments na maglilid sa separation. Meron ditong makakasakit like sa salita lang. May ganong energy. What else for air signs? Three of Swords in reverse. Yeah. So, may energy dito na parang may marirelease. Okay? So, in general, may marirelease. Excuse me. What's with this Three of Swords in reverse? King of Wands in reverse. May matatapakan ng pride. May matatapakan ng ego. The Ace of Swords. What's with this King of Wands in reverse? Medyo malaki yung cards. Ang hirap i-shuffle. King of Wands in reverse. The Two of Coins in reverse. May pagpili ako nakikita dito. Okay? Queen of Swords in reverse. Some of you, this is third party. Yeah, Two of Wands. May pagpili ako nakikita. Merong iiwan, merong pag-i-stayan. May pipiliin. Okay? Seven of Coins. May pag-i-investan eh. May pagtutuunan ng pansin dito. There's this somebody na pwedeng nakarely lang sa'yo. Ngayon, sa ngayon. Could be a third party. Yeah, the Ace of Swords. I think they're ready. Sa kung ano man to. Okay? May magbubukas ng business. And yeah, magiging okay. I don't know if this is another branch, second branch, third, fourth. I'm hearing opening a business. Small business kung sakali. Yeah, 10 of Coins. So, investing sa kung ano man yung parang, it's like risk. Okay? It's a risk. Some of you in general, may mga gagawing risk, no? Taking risk. Pero sa tingin ko, mas magiging okay kung ano man to. Yeah. Anyway, so there. Next. Okay, fire signs. Fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, what's for you? What is for fire signs? Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Temperance in reverse. That's Sagittarius energy. Temperance. The Five of Cups. Meron kayong parang sabihin natin hindi kailangang bigyan pansin, lalo na kung sa tingin mo is tinitrigger ka lang. Okay? Yes. Kailangan mong layuan, kailangan mong iwasan, or kailangan mong hindi na lang pansinin to. Lalo ka na, Sagittarius. Yeah, Eight of Swords in reverse. Kung sa tingin mo magbibigay lang ng stress sa'yo, kung ano man yan, then wag mo na masyadong pagpapansinin. May mang trigger. Okay? And the Moon in reverse, yeah. So, sabihin natin may mga marireveal or parang something talaga na mag-cause lang ng negativity sa'yo. Okay? Could be a Pisces. Water sign. Okay? Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So, what else? Wheel of Fortune. Okay, what's with that? The Queen of Coins in reverse. Health. Someone's health is improving. Okay, someone's health. Sinasabi, ito meron ako nakikita dito na, ito specific, meron kang makukuha, could be anything, like material, pera, kasi merong pumanaw dito. Okay, merong pumanaw. Yeah, the Sun in reverse. I don't know kung ano yun. Some of you are still mourning. Okay, that's specific, not for all. I'm hearing mana. What else? King of Swords. Ito this is unexpected. Sabihin natin, yeah. Sabihin natin 1%. 1%. May nakikita ko dito, pwedeng may mananalo. Okay? May energy dito na pwedeng manalo ka. I don't know kung ano yun. Online games, whatsoever. Okay, lottery. Hindi to pinaghirapan tumaya ka lang. Parang ganon. Hindi masyadong bibigyan ng effort. Okay? Bigyan ka ng number. 13. I don't know. Yeah, 13. Wait. 18. 10. 14. 5. 8. Okay. Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko natanda yung mga number na nasabi ko. So, what's with this King of Swords? Six of Wands in reverse. May mga naiinggit sa'yo. Okay? May mga naiinggit sa'yo. They want you down. They will drag you down. What's with the Six of Wands in reverse? I'm hearing sabotage. Okay. Yeah, the Tower. See? I'm hearing sabotage. Some of you, may mga taong gustong pabagsakin ka in general. Okay? They want the Tower. Oo, na talagang masira. They want the power. Okay? They want kung ano man ang meron sa'yo. Andyan yung paninira nila. Who are they? Sino to? The Knight of Swords. Some of them, hindi sila marunong magplano. Like, gawa lang. Ikaw kasi nakikita ka nila na marunong ka magplano. Okay? Yeah. Next. Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Okay, so again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Oops. Okay. Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. That's for you. Ten of Wands in reversed. You have to release something. You have to surrender something. Some of you, ang naririnig ko dito is overload. Responsibilities maybe. Yeah, Wands is responsibilities, or sabihin nating mga gawa, mga action. Seven of Cups in reversed. Okay, ang sinasabi dito, it's like unahin mo muna yung iyo. Okay? Unahin mo muna yung iyo. Some of you have to isolate yourself, or maybe you have to say no sa iba. Okay? So, death is here. So, for me, it's like disconnection, or sabihin nating cutting off people, cutting off situations, no? And then, para makapagsimula ka ng iyo. Okay? Meron kang kailangan mga i-surrender. Meron kang mga kailangang i-sacrifice maybe, no, para makapagsimula ka ng iyo, parang ganon. Okay, Ten of Wands, ano to? Queen of Cups. There's somebody who is willing na mag-sacrifice para sa'yo. Ang nakikita ko rin is they still love you. They still love you. Okay? Some of them, they want to come back. Kung ano man to, I don't know. You're their best option. Anyway, pero ang nakikita ko ito is the Queen of Cups. This is somebody who is, sabihin nating, taking care of themselves. Inuuna muna yung sarili bago magbigay ng care or love sa iba. Okay? Some of you, this is like a message na kailangan natin munang mag-say no sa iba para mas makatulong pa in the near future, I think. Parang ganon. Kasi uunahin muna yung sarili. Parang ganyan. Okay? So, I think some of you, kung gusto mong makatulong, and sa tingin mo, ang inuuna mo is yung iba palagi, para magkaroon ng long term, unahin mo muna yung iyo. Okay? Unahin mo muna yung iyo. Kasi baka mamaya, puro yung iba na lang. And then, ikaw, wala ka ng sayo. So, paano ka? Di po ba? Paano ka makakatulong kung ikaw ay diba? So, I don't know. It's up to you. Iba kasi dito, it's sabihin natin you're too kind. You're too kind. So, I think some of you have to set aside muna the emotions. No? So, what else? Okay. So, we have here 2, the Magician, and the 5 of Coins. Somebody wants to talk. Somebody is, sabihin natin, kinakailangan ka. Be careful with manipulators. Okay? Yeah. Andun yung parang magaling magsalita. Be careful with that. Be careful who you trust. Be careful. Six of Swords, Universe. Baka kasi mabaliktad ka. Ikaw pa mamaya may kasalanan. Okay? Sino man tong gusto makipag-usap sa'yo, this is somebody from your past. Na talagang minanipulate ka. Okay? Hindi ito like romantic lang. Okay? I'm talking in general. Somebody na pwedeng sabihin natin nagkaroon kayo ng connection. Could be romantic, casual, platonic, or whatsoever. Okay? Could be relatives, mga ganyan. They just need you. What else for you, water signs? With the moon in reversed. Okay. I'm hearing too good to be true. Too good to be true. The King of Swords. Some of you, may nakikita ko dito something like a facade or somebody just like wearing a mask. No? Parang like some of you, andun yung energy na may nag-i-stock or meron kang ini-stock and pwedeng mayroon kang makikita. Something, I don't know, some of you, this is talking about somebody's emotion. Okay? Parang meron lang silang gustong ipakita na, ay, ganito ako. Masaya ako, whatsoever, or kung ano man na emosyon ang pinapakita. And I think, hindi yun yung totoo. Okay? Gusto lang nilang makita mo kung anong kunyari meron siya. Okay? Yeah, I think so. Hindi mo kailangan na maniwala agad-agad sa kung anong nakikita mo sa harap. Okay? Yeah, the Two of Cups inversed. Two of Swords. The Nine of Swords. Yeah, the Ace of Coins inversed. Andito yung sinasabi na parang gusto niyang ikaw ay manghinayang. I think this is energy ng somebody na pwedeng nakakonect mo romantically. Okay? So, ang nakikita ko dito, gusto nila manghinayang ka. Pwede kasing ipapakita niya is okay na siya, whatsoever. Pero they're not. Yeah, the Eight of Swords. They're not. Some of them, they're stuck. Ginawa niya yung post na yun talaga for you. Ikaw yung target. Yes. Okay. So there. Next. Earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So what's for you? Okay, again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, this is our a new deck. So hindi pa ako talagang familiarized dito sa ating deck. So, yeah, just bear with me, diba? So, Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So, what's for you, my Earth signs? Okay, so this is death. Pero kung makikita mo dyan, this is may nanganak, no? So, it's like rebirth. Okay? Rebirth. Parang may mag-e-end, pero may magsisimula. Yeah. Changes could be. Okay? Sabihin natin merong hindi successful kasi may mas magiging okay na mangyayari. Yeah, ngayon ko lang nakikita eh. Oo. What's with this death? What's with this death? Nine of Coins. So, I think this is talking about or pertaining patungkol sa iyong kaperahan. Okay? Patungkol sa kaperahan, there's changes na pwedeng mangyari. Kung dati, hindi nga okay, ngayon nakukuha ko may pagtaas. Yeah. Changes in general. Some of you, pwedeng meron kang mga babaguhin patungkol sa iyong mga kung anumang pinagkakakitaan. Okay? Kung hindi babaguhin, pwedeng dadagdagan. Okay? Yeah. I'm hearing trading. Yeah, see? The Wheel of Fortune. This is nice. So, kung merong may mangyaring endings or sabihin nating mga pagbabago, gawa to ni universe, I think. Pero ang sinasabi rito is wag parang magstay or parang mag-focus lang sa nangyaring ending or changes, sabihin nating pagbaba or whatsoever. Okay, gumawa ng paraan para mas maging okay. Yeah. The Wheel of Fortune is here. This is changes. Changes is coming. So I think some of you, if you're facing difficulties, no, nitong mga nakaraan, I think, yeah, you're facing, sabihin natin, the next level. Oo, parang universe is getting you ready. Parang ganyan. Okay? What else for earth signs? The Hangman. That's with this. The Three of Coins universe. I'm hearing pendings. May nakikita ko dito na parang napepending. Could be sa workplace. Plans na napepending. I'm hearing brownout. Yeah, I'm hearing brownout. Blackout. So, pwedeng merong hindi matapos, no, pagdating sa work. Pwedeng may mangyaring issue. Okay, technical or maybe electrical, something like that. Yeah, Four of Wands. This is like workplace. Kung makikita mo, no, may mga ID, no. So, may kaunting sabihin nating downtime, pero hindi naman masyadong sabihin nating magkokos ng malaking effect. Okay? May chance na parang maikli ang oras lang to. Okay? So, medyo makaka-relax ng kauntian, yung mga ganyang bagay. Okay? So, nandyan yung parang chikahan muna, chikahan moments. So, ito na nga, yung mga ganyang bagay. No? Oo. So, kaunting sabihin nating downtime na magbibigay rin ng parang, alam mo na, kaunting pahinga. Parang ganon. Discussion. I'm hearing discussion. Sa bahay. Hindi ko alam kung ano yun. Kung pagdidiscusan ninyo, I don't know. So, what else for your earth signs? The Four of Wands, this is talking about stability. Yung mga plano na nakikita ko na parang na-pending, kung itutuloy nyo, may chance ng success. May chance ng stability. Seven of Wands. Saying no. Okay, some of you, you'll reject something. Or you have to. What's this? Seven of Wands. The Five of Coins. Something na pwedeng magkokos ng pain sa iyong bulsa. Yes. Okay, so I think some of you, bibigyan mo ng limit yung paggastos. Or kailangan mo bigyan na ng limit yung paggastos mo. Okay? Iba sa inyo, pwedeng hindi mo naman kailangan to. Nakita mo lang na sabihin nating sale whatsoever. Eh, bibilihin na. Something like that. So, it's like, yeah. Pag dalawang isipan mo muna, 3, 4, 5 pag-iisip. No? Hanggang 10. Oo. Yung, di ba, madalas na makita lang natin na sale kahit hindi natin kailangan bibilihin. Sino yung ganon? Di ba? Guilty ako doon. Oo. Anyways, okay. So, let's see. Some of you, you'll get a message, no, na parang may mangungutang. Opo, may mangungutang, may manghihiram. Justice. Tingnan mo kung anong tama. Okay? Tingnan mo kung dapat ba. Kung ano man. Okay? 8 of coins. Being busy. Some of you, ikaw itong parang, sa tingin mo ba, kailangan mo bang uuhan lahat? Okay? Kung sa trabaho man yan, kailangan mo bang uuhan lahat? Kailangan mo bang gawin yung gawain ng isa? Parang ganon. Akuin. May makikisuyo sa'yo, pero napapansin mo, araw-araw na ata nakikisuyo ito. Dapat sumweldo na rin ako sa kanya. Di ba? Oh. So, tingnan mo ba kung tama? So, ito na ba yung time para humindi ka sa mga bagay na lagi na lang pinapasayo, no? Pinapa-shoulder sa'yo. So anyway, so there, yeah, yun ang aking reading for you, all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye!